G'day and welcome back to our channel. This week we're doing something different. What are we doing, Letta?
Houseboat, Coomera River.
We're on the Coomera House Boats.
Yeah, is it river?
Yeah, Coomera River going out into the Broadwater. We're on the Shangri-La. And this week we've left the caravan and all we're going to do is sit, relax, eat and fish.
Lots of fishing.
Lots of fishing. You can do some cooking.
Yes.
You cook the fish if I catch the fish?
Yes.
Okay. So why don't you come along with us and let's start this adventure. Let's go. All aboard. So this is our first full day on the houseboat. This is our view. And then you can see there that we're actually nicely anchored. So we're on one of the Coomera houseboats. This is the Shangri-La. It's actually a 12 berth houseboat. It comes with it's quite spacious, lounge, lovely dining table, windows, good sized kitchen, plenty for us to be able to catch those fish. It's got a fridge and an oven downstairs. And then it has 4 bedrooms. They're all the same size, queen size beds. And then there's one which is the master, which is the king size bed, and it goes out onto the back deck with a little table. It has one toilet and shower inside the bathroom. As you can see, plenty of room. Then you come out of the bathroom and you come out onto the back deck. There's that little table I showed you before. Our tender is just there. That's the one that Loretta's gone ashore and we'll go back and pick her up. And then outside here we have a second toilet. So this is downstairs on the Shangri-La from Coomera House Boats. Well, I'll take you upstairs shortly and I'll show you upstairs. And what a beautiful view. Good way to spend a week fishing. So let's go up to the top deck of the Shangri-La to where all the action's happening. So there's the #1 fisherman at the moment. He's caught the biggest flathead. It's about a 58 centimetre. How did that feel, Max? Good. Good, awesome. So up here, as you can see, you've got a lounge. You've got a dining table. You can steer from the top here and it gives you a good 360 view, but we've turned it into our boat deck, tackle deck. It's got another fridge up here as well, a TV, sink and a barbecue. Plus it's got a big cooler down there. There's me cup of tea, couple of sun decks, chairs, and the rods out the back. And this is the view from out the back. I'm going to try to get the drone up soon and try to get some drone footage. So, Shangri-La Houseboat. Let's keep going. There we are. Flathead. A little bit undersized for what we want. So we thought we'd just let it go, eh? But I'm not going to kiss this one because it spikes. Here we go. Bye, Flatty. And there it goes, swimming away. Awesome. Well, what a week with the family. We did relax. Did you feel relaxed, Letta?
Yes, had lots of relaxed.
Yeah, I felt relaxed. Had some good sleeps. Caught some fish. Really enjoyed watching the grandson catch some really big fish. That flathead and bream and...
A couple of stingrays.
Yeah, and a muddy.
Yep.
Yeah, that muddy's
What was the blue thing?
blue swimmer.
Yep.
Blue swimmer crab as well.
Some bream.
Yep. So overall, it was a good week. So I'd recommend going out on a houseboat with the family. Take your family along. I must admit, but it can be boring for those that don't like fishing and that sort of stuff. But no, overall, what would you rate it out of 10, Letta?
Probably a 6 out of 10. I'd
6
still
out of
rather go
10.
camping.
Yeah, you'd still much rather your caravan now?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Definitely.
All right, so thank you for watching. Remember to like,
subscribe, hit the notification bell.
yeah, follow us on all the what do they call them things? Those pages, you know, your
Instagram, Facebook.
that's it, yeah. On all the socials, I think they say now.
Yeah.
On all the socials. So from Letta and I, thanks for watching. Leave a comment downstairs if you've got anything else you'd like to say.
Any questions?
Any questions?
Yeah.
Tell us about your adventures and we'll catch you somewhere else.
Oh, we're going to Longreach next.
Oh, off to Longreach, that's right. Longreach next week.
Yeah.
So, stay tuned for that video. See ya!
Bye.